From Eco Shop RM to point 4. Let's see what I bought. Sped. Temporary parking number. This product is with creative design, easy to use, and ABS material. Made in China. Comes with 3 variant colors: black, white, and black with white. Let's unboxing. We have the product main body, the numbers with magnet, and the 3 meters double-sided tape. Already set the phone number. Let's place it on suitable place. The place that other people can see. Before that, stick the double-sided tape. The suitable place is here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to support me to grow my channel.